Well, this is my new toolbox I got. It's a very old toolbox. Well, not very old. It was my father's toolbox when he was a machinist out at General Dynamics back in the day when they were building the F-111s and the F-16s. Anyway, I finally talked him into letting me have it, and there's not a whole lot of stuff in it, but I figured I'd show you what there is. And there we go. It's got a couple of reference charts, tap drill sizes, decimal. I'm not sure what this is. Has something to do with electrical stuff. You probably can't see it too well. This stupid camera don't focus worth a crap. And another tap drill and decimal equivalent. Looks like a couple of magnets. Magnifying glass. Yay. Everybody needs one. Got to burn ants with something. Oh, let's see. Couple of funky blocks. Have no idea. You can't see this too well. Hold on a minute. Let me restage and I'll get back to you. Okay, you might be able to see a little bit better now. I gotta love handy dandy drop lights, even if they are fluorescent and compact fluorescent. Anywho, I do not have a key, so I can't lock it. I tried all the keys I have, none of them fit, or none of them turned them. All of those would at least go in, they just don't turn. Don't ask why I have a key collection, because I don't really know. Anyway, that and the little dial micrometer are mine. I just went ahead and threw them up there. Oh, let's see. An 18-inch long steel rule. And again, this camera doesn't focus, but we got tenths and hundredths and thousandths and zoom in. Try it that way. Ew. Like I said, cheap camera. Anyway, 18-inch steel rule, 32 64ths on one side, thousandths and hundredths on the other. Damn, I wish you could see how fine those lines are. Anyway, on with the tour. We'll start with the big middle box. We got, it looks to be a tap handle, or call it grabber of some sort. Sorted nut screws and bolts, a funky little wrench. I wonder if those goes with those assorted nuts and bolts. Nah. Anyway, on the drawer. Okay. A protractor, General, made in USA, number 17, and another protractor. Sort of hard trying to frame shots and film at the same time. This one is another General, number 17. It's seen a fair share of use. And here's another funky little countersink head grip length, flat head grip length, whole grip scale. That's an interesting one. I'll figure that one out after a while. High shear rivet grip scale. Okay. And a hole size, hole gauge. Again, General Hardware Manufacturing Company, New York. Fractional and decimal, and nothing. Okay, cool, sweet. And even a paper printout. Let's see. I have no idea. Some sort of glue. A whistle? A whistle? Oh, good grief. Thanks, Dad. Life of the party. A knurled nut, countersunk washer, a fuse. Who knows what else in there. Okay. I'm sure you guys are just getting absolutely thrilled. Ooh, a red box. But let's see what's in the plastic bag. Another plastic bag with motor brushes to who knows what. Okay. A little bitty tiny square. I like that. Let's see. Can we read that? Union tool. A 4-inch square. I like that. Thanks, Dad. And a little bitty hex key in the box. Tweezers. Everybody needs some. Gotta pluck them eyebrows somehow. And now the little red box. Ooh. Micrometer. Old style, not digital. And it is, you probably, LS Starrett, 0 to... Okay, I'm going to try this from an upside down point of view. Maybe you can see, maybe you can't. And sort of hanging the Gorilla Pod off the top shelf of my bench. Anyway, where I was at the, don't know if you can see this or not, or how well you can see it even. Was the 0 to 1 inch Starrett micrometer. Got a lock there. Don't know if it ratchets. Let's find out. This is an older one. Okay, the thumb wheel does it floats, doesn't ratchet. So let's try locking it. Yep. Okay, so you back up and it tries to engage. It'll open it, but it slips on the close. Alright, sweet. Oh my goodness, it's half a thou off. Half a thou out of calibration. Or is it just dirty? Been in that box since when did they, let's see, my dad retired in I think the early 80s. Hey, there we go. 000s. I love it. Okay, let's put that away. And see what we see in the next one. Sort of pan. I hope this is coming through. Box, more tweezers, compass, valve core tool, Schrader valve, cool. Everybody needs one of those. Little bitty Phillips, a old battery, don't want that. Acid brush, a couple of acid brushes, a honkin' big nail. nail clippers. Another battery, yuck. Little wrench. 5/16 and 11/32. More batteries. Duracells, they might be good. Yeah, right. Okay. A couple more acid brushes. Wow. It's a screw tip. I guess it's a hole starter. Don't ask me. One really long, rusty, appears to be 1/8 inch hex key. Yeah. Everybody needs a razor knife. Wow. Especially one that slides out the back. There we go. More or less. Come on. Came off of there. I know you're going to go back in. There we go. Close enough. Little wax pencil. You remember them? The ones you peel off? Wonder if anybody still makes those. China marker. Barrel Blaisdell red. And then an orange marker. Orange pencil. Color Fast. Blaisdell again. Alright, the wrench. Anywho, let's pan over this way. Not much left over on that side anyway. A pencil sharpener. A scraper. Single edge razor. A little reamer. Oh, cool. What do they call these Yankee screwdrivers? Nothing there. Oh, there we go. Itty bitty reamers. Wow. Okay, there's nothing in that one, so I'm going to put you back in there. I guess there's not a hole there. Okay. I guess it's just those two. So the old Yankee screwdriver. Cool. And an angle square, made in USA, but who by? Can't read no label, but it says made in USA. Wonder if that's the USA village in the province of Shangzhou in eastern China. Who knows? I don't know. Vice grips. Some itty bitty. Well, they're not channel locks, so I call them slip joints, but they're baby channel locks. Almost. Little crescent wrench. Somewhat rusty. Diamond 6-inch force steel made in USA. Something Caulk Horseshoe Company. Diamond Caulk Horseshoe Company. Duluth, Minnesota. Huh, cool. Diamond Caulk Horseshoe. Okay, we got diamond and a horseshoe shape. Can't read the little emblem in the middle of the diamond though. Might have to clean that one up. Spud wrench. Plumbers know exactly what this is for, and I wish I didn't. Okay, on to the smaller right-hand drawers. Left hand from your point of view, I guess. Little Allen wrench, T-handle, 3/8 quarter drive adapter, Torx bit, T something, who knows. Little bit set, 1/4 inch, hex, yep. Couple of little coping saw blades, a Duber Flotchy, set screw, 1/4 inch driver with a round shank and a square set. Ooh. Okay. I have no idea what tool that's supposed to go in. What sort of driver drove that? Little T something Torx bit. Five 5/16, 18 national course. It's been used at least once. Rubber hose. Yep, there we go. Couple more coping saw blades, jeweler's saw, whatever you want to. Couple of triangle bits that are definitely won't fit anything I got. 1/4 Phillips, 1/4. Looks like it. A little ball on the end. Yep, 1/4 inch. Well, I'm pretty sure that was more for these guys. Yep. Okay, don't know what the... Okay, that's not a set screw, that's hollow. That's through. Can you see that? Huh. Thought it was a set screw. No clue. Wrenches. More Allens. Oh, where was that other wrench? No. Although, actually, I'll go ahead and put you up there. You fit. There it is. Wrenches. A couple of sockets. A reamer. Can't tell what size it is. Face shield fall down, go boom. Alright. One half plus 0005. Keystone reamer and tool company. Miller, trying to read this. Miller something, Pennsylvania. Millersburg? Millersburg. Okay. Nice reamer. Well rusted and full of crap. Couple of punches, another tap, 3/8/16. 3/8 tap. I figure if I'm going to split it up and clean it up, I might as well get started. Drill bits. Ooh. Drill bit extension. What does this say? Irwin No number SE8866. I can't read that. Not a good stamping. Made in USA. Do not use in drill press. Gee, I wonder why. Uh, 7/16 high speed USA. 3/8. Can't read more than that. Let's look at some of these others. A little bit of rust and crud. 1/2 inch. HS. Here we go. Shopmate. 5/8 inch. Made in USA. $419.99. Still got the goop on it. Oh. Wait a second. Shopsmith? Uh-oh. Shopmate. Well, that's a... what do they call them wood cutting bits? Not a Fosner bit, but anyway. Something tells me that these probably went with my dad's Shopsmith, which my sister's getting. Which doesn't bother me. I'm not a woodworker. Ooh, pretty. Ow, pointy. Shopmate. Okay. There's a whole selection of them little pointy, pointy bastards. And those are definitely woodworker tools. Don't want to mix them up with metal drills. Of course, these with these skinny shanks might as well be woodworker bits as well. 1/4 inch shank. I'll stick those in my traveling box. Oh, that one's sharp. Couple of counter burrs. Yeah, use them for deburring all the time anyway. Oh, there's another little one. Alright. Yeah, I don't think I want that one in this toolbox. And I'll sort through these and put them to size and everything. Well, after I, here, let me take you off of here right quick. Alright, that's where you go. I don't know how to work my damn grill pot. Okay, let's turn you right side up. Well, now I get to take all my little cheap ass Harbor Freight tooling and the little machine shop tooling and everything and try and turn this box into a machinist toolbox. That way that one can go back to being my general service box. I have no idea how I'm going to end up reorganizing that thing. Got to get a bigger toolbox first. Anywho, that was the tour. Thank you. Bye.